The blame game inside the upcoming trial to determine the liability of the Dali's owner for the Key Bridge disaster. Welcome to the news at 5. I'm Nikki Zizaza.
And I'm Rick Ritter. The ship's owner fighting expansive claims and negligence in a trial that is expected to last the entire month of June. Many of those on the ship during that tragedy have pleaded the fifth now, declining to answer any questions from lawyers.
WJZ investigator Mike Helgren is live at federal court with what to expect once that trial gets underway and some new revelations. Mike.
Nikki, Rick, this is going to be a highly technically complex trial. It's going to take 14 days alone for both sides just to present their evidence. And you mentioned those crew members pleading the fifth. That includes the captain of the Dali, declined to answer any questions about what went on that day. The Dali caused billions of dollars in damage when it struck the Key Bridge, and the ship's owner, Grace Ocean, and operator, Synergy Marine, argue they should not be liable for that full amount, using an 1851 law enacted after the Titanic sunk that would limit their liability to the value of the ship and its contents, just $44 million. An army of lawyers will be presenting arguments before Judge James Bredar, who will have to decide the issue on his own without a jury at a June 1st trial that's expected to last for 18 days.
Judge Bredar is very thoughtful and balanced and fair.
Among the questions Judge Bredar must answer, whether the Dali was seaworthy, whether the owner and operator were negligent. Among those claiming damages, the estates of those who lost their lives.
Their lives meant something, not just to their families, to the city, to the state. I mean, we're here to fight for them.
Judge Bredar described the trial as big, sprawling, and expansive. WJZ Investigates has learned the captain of the Dali pleaded the fifth during 6 hours and 300 pages of questioning in depositions. One attorney representing those fighting the Dali's owner and operator told the judge, basically the entire engine control room from the chief engineer down to the oiler would not testify.
There was mistakes that were made less than 12 hours earlier that are exactly and directly related to what happened when the ship lost power and crashed into the Key Bridge.
It was to fit right in here to ensure you had connection for the system, and it just didn't fit.
A National Transportation Safety Board investigation revealed a single loose wire on the massive ship caused the Dali to lose power, ending in disaster. Judge Bredar ruled the NTSB's final report will not be allowed as evidence. The Dali's owner does want to introduce an inspection report completed after the Dali left Baltimore, showing the vessel had vibration issues that could have led to the loose wire. They've also sued the ship's manufacturer, claiming the Dali had defective electrical systems from its delivery.
We have the three things that you need: a great judge, great legal team, and a great cause.
Now, the state of Maryland has already settled its claims in this case for an undisclosed amount. Judge Bredar says there could be more settlements to come, and there's a special judge handling those negotiations before this trial starts up June 1st. We're live in your corner at federal court. Mike Helgren, WJZ.